This item is immediately dangerous to life and health and was promptly removed from service where it was found. It's an extension cord about 6 feet in length or 1.8 meters that's fitted with 2 male plugs. Obviously it will never work and probably was never attempted to be in service, but this is where the danger is. If you do try to put it in service and plug one end into an outlet and then go to the end of it, oh, I'm going to plug in my reading light, and you go to the other end of it and you grab the reading light, and that reading light has an outlet or a plug like this, and you realize, oh, of course you can't put the two of them together. Inadvertently you might grab the prongs on this one, which are now energized, if the other end of course is still plugged into the wall. Problematic, especially with retired people such as Mrs. Willis. So this plug is a replacement plug that was fitted at the end of the cord, and this is the factory original plug. It's a design from the 1960s. You can look at it from close up here. You can see the prong on it is of a laminated design. There you can see a little gap in between them, and the plug itself is small. It doesn't provide much grip. This is how modern plugs look like. More substantial, easier to grab, solid prongs. This is molded on the end of the cord here, and this one is one that was also, last time it was sold was in the 1960s as well, early 1960s. It's a 2-part aftermarket fix. The white part is the outside of it, and the black plastic snaps in place like so. If you depress the black plastic here, and then you can pull the prongs out and you can make your connections on the inside. So it's not meant to be watertight, and it's meant to be just for a light duty cord like this, for a reading light and such. And for obvious reasons, like I said, this is a death trap. So it has never been used, it cannot possibly be used. It's now educational material. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.